What's up guys? Today we're doing a quick video on what might stop your dishwasher from loading water when it gets started. So we'll go ahead and try and start the dishwasher here. Go ahead, hit start, and nothing seems to be happening. So we're going to open it, take a quick look in the dishwasher. There's a little float that if something's obstructing it, like this spatula, that could stop it from loading water. This float will detect the water level. So now we'll go ahead and see if the water will run now that we've got it started. Got it cleaned out. And give it a second. And there we go. So now we're starting our dishwasher. So there's a quick video, just something to look for before you call a repairman. Follow me for more tips, and you can always go to my YouTube channel. All these videos are on YouTube as well. Just look for Dan Reich Inspector, and you should find all the videos on YouTube. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.